Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE S80 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to find security and location. Now let's scroll down in order to find encryption and credentials, and as you can see at the very bottom of the list we've got the option to remove all certificates. So let's tap on it. Your device will ask you if you really want to remove all the content, so just tap on OK. If you've got a pattern or a PIN, you will have to enter it to confirm the whole step. And here we've got the information that the credential storage has been erased successfully. So actually this is it. This is how to clear credentials in your DOOGEE S80. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.